Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can use Trust Wallet application. Trust Wallet is a multi-coin wallet which allow you to store, send, receive and exchange different cryptocurrencies with a single account. Now for the first thing you have to do is of course install the application for yourself. Now for that you need to go to Google Play Store and download the application. Then you need to get signed up for the account by providing the required details that you've been asked to. Now open the Trust Wallet. Once you have your account set up, you will see your main page to overview of your Trust Wallet. So here you can see the balance is currently 0. Here you will see the overall total balance of your cryptocurrencies. And below you can see Bitcoin and BNB and everything. These are the popular or traded or the recently looked out. Now let's move to the settings section. Tap on setting. You can have more than one wallet. For that you need to click on the wallets. There you can click on the plus sign on top right of your screen. Tap on it and there you click on I already have a wallet. Now you can see all the wallet options. Below you can click on BNB, then you can get logged in and add new wallet for yourself. Add another wallet in your Trust Wallet application or in your account. Now if you go back, you can see there's security. Here you can choose to provide the passcode of your account, notification. You can allow yourself push notification, preferences and price alert. You can also put price alert in your phone just so that you get updated on every price. Now if you go below, here you can see the option of Wallet Connect. It is a service that allows you to send cryptocurrency from your wallet. For that, click on it and you can see you will be given a scan option. You can scan and send cryptocurrency from your wallet to a different wallet. You can go through all the another social medias as well. You can connect with them. You can go through thoroughly to the setting page to know the services you get. Now then coming back to the home page. Now let's look at the token tab. That is the click on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. You can see all the cryptocurrencies and can search as well. You can tap here and just type in your cryptocurrencies, or if you want to search for certain tokens. Now here if you click on certain cryptocurrencies, I'm going to tap on Bitcoin. In Bitcoin you can see the option of bar icon on the top right corner. If you tap on it, you will get the details of the Bitcoin, all the website, explorer, market cap and the volume. You can get a proper view on the Bitcoin graph. Now going back, I'm going to go back to the home page again. Here in home page, you can see the option of send, receive and buy. Now here you can see the option of DEX at the bottom of the home page. You click on it. There you can see the two options, that is swap and exchange. In swap, you can swap your cryptocurrencies with the other one, where you will see the details of how much you will pay and how much you will get in return. And just beside exchange, you can also exchange your cryptocurrencies from here. Going back to the home page. This is the overall of Trust Wallet, where you can receive and send cryptocurrencies from one wallet to the different wallet. Hope this overview was useful to you and you have almost an idea of how you can use Trust Wallet for beginning. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also click on the bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.